Hello friends, welcome to Input Output Campus. So today we are going to learn HTML. So HTML is very simple and easy to learn, and HTML is used to create a website. Okay, so we'll learn HTML step by step in a very simple way, and after completing the HTML course, we'll create a simple project. Okay, so we'll write all the codes in the Sublime Text, and if you don't have this Sublime Text in your machine, then please download it, and I have made a video how to download and install the Sublime Text into your computer. So the link of that video will be in the description below. So after opening the Sublime Text, you will get an interface like this, and here you can see plain text. So if you write something here, then you can see this is plain text. Okay, this is not the HTML. So first of all, you have to go to this file and then click on this new file. Okay, so let's close it. So it's showing it's untitled. So you have to give the name. So what will be the name? So for that, so just click on this file again and then click on this save button. Okay, so you can see here we are in the tutorial folder. So in this folder we will save all the HTML file. Okay, suppose our name of the file is demo. Okay, so write here demo, and then you have to write an extension. So what will be the extension? The extension will be .html. Okay, so .html. Okay, it's done. So click on this save. So you can see here a file name is demo.html, and it's automatically converted to plain text to HTML here. Okay, so now we can write the HTML code here. So to write HTML code, you have to write this HTML first. So write HTML. Okay, and then you have to close this HTML. So for that, write this. So this is the opening of the HTML and this is the closing of the HTML. Okay, so inside this HTML there will be mainly two parts. One is head and one is body, like human. The first will be head and the second will be body. Okay, so let's give some space here and write here head. Okay, so inside this HTML there will be head and body. So we have write the head and there will be a body. So write here body. Okay, so these two are the main things. So inside this head there will be the title of the website and link and style etc. Okay, and inside this body there will be the structure of the website. Okay, so inside this head there will be title. So write here title. Okay, so here you can write anything. Suppose the name of your website is my first website. Okay, so this will be the name of your website, and now inside this body we'll write the body of the website. Suppose the website body will be some text and it will show some text here. Suppose there will be heading. Okay, so for that write here h1. Okay, and inside this write something that will be shown into your website. Right here suppose input output campus 1. Okay, so it's done. Now go to this file again and click on this save. Okay, or you can do it by your keyboard, that is Ctrl+S. Okay, so after doing this, just right click here and you will see open in browser. So just click here. So here you can see this is your output, input output campus 1, and your name of the website is my first website. Okay friends, so this was the basic things of HTML, and one more thing is that we'll do the HTML5. So for that you have to write here doc type. because the HTML is doc type. So right here the exclamatory sign, then DOCTYVE. Okay, why we have to write here doc type? Because this is a document type. Okay, and this is HTML5. So for that you have to write this doc type and then HTML. Okay, so just save it by Ctrl+S, then right click here and then open in browser. So you can see here the output is input output campus 1. Okay, so let's close this too. So there are 6 header tags like h1. So after this write h2 and copy it from here. Okay, and paste it here, and then h3 and then h4, then h5 and finally h6. Okay, so after writing this, press Ctrl+S and right click here and then open in browser. So here is the output, and this is for h1 tag and this is for h2 and then h3, h4, h6. Okay, so this was the header tags. Now there is another tag like v for paragraph. Okay, so inside this you can write a paragraph like a long text. Right here, suppose hello friends, welcome to input output campus, comment below. Okay, so suppose this is the text, and what you have to do, you have to save it first. So just press Ctrl+S. Okay, just cancel it and press Ctrl+S and then open in browser. Okay, so here you can see this is the text, this is the paragraph text. Okay, so our previous output was this, and now this is the new output. So let's close it, and if you refresh this, then the output will be shown here. That is, the paragraph output will be shown here. So let's refresh it, and you can see the paragraph output is here. Okay, friends, this is it for now, and in the next video we'll learn something new. And thank you for watching this video.